Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So Ram Setu, is it really a myth, or are there really any proofs in the current day that you can really experience when you're going all the way towards the south? Let's find out in this video. So last year when we had visited to Rameshwaram and Madurai, first point of view of traveling towards Rameshwaram, usually anybody has is it going to be a traditional trip? Are there going to be too much temples? So there are temples in the south, but also while you're traveling towards Dhanushkodi or while you're traveling specifically towards Rameshwaram, you should also keep in mind that there are a lot and lots of sports activities nowadays that you can experience. So don't just keep in mind that you are going to be traveling only for a traditional trip or there are going to be too much temples. For sure you'll be experiencing a very unique and very adventurous activities also if you're traveling towards Rameshwaram. So the nearest airport towards Dhanushkodi is Madurai. So from Madurai first you have to travel all the way towards Rameshwaram, and from Rameshwaram further to around 1 hour's distance is Dhanushkodi. So you have to start from Madurai, and if you are taking a road trip all the way towards Rameshwaram, then this is the beautiful scenario which you would come across. This is world's one of the most riskiest and the scariest bridge, because as you can see this train is traveling on a very slight less bridge which has no boundaries, no railings in the side, and you can watch this entire scenario right away standing from the road bridge which connects Madurai and Rameshwaram. So that plain single line, that tip is the Ram Setu, and in order to travel all the way towards there, now there is also a different temple, and this road has been constructed a very few years ago. Before that you have to travel all the way from water, and now totally depending upon the high tide, low tide, what is the exact volume of water at that time, you will be able to specifically visit the Ram Setu. As we all are aware about the tsunami which had happened in the last years, this Ram Setu was specifically destroyed, and before that there also has been evidences that people used to travel by bicycles or even by walking from Dhanushkodi all the way towards Sri Lanka. So this is now the beautiful road which is constructed, and on the way you would be also be able to watch these ruins which have been destroyed because of that tsunami, and you need to be very well aware about the timings of that you are going to visit towards Dhanushkodi, because after 4 o'clock in the evening the entry is totally closed. So make sure that the high tide, low tide timing is very specific, and you are traveling towards the Ram Setu, and also specifically at this point where you'd be able to watch how the bay emerges into the ocean, and this beautiful beach, it is so crystal clear that you would be able to see all across bird eye point of view, and I even got a SMS that welcome to Sri Lanka. So this is that close towards Sri Lanka. So that is all for this video guys. Do let me know how the video is in the comment section below, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. I am nearly around 40-50 subscribers away from reaching till 1000 subscribers, so I'll be really glad if you subscribe to the channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.